Good morning and welcome back to the channel, where this clearly isn't the third part of the transit video that we were hoping to do. Things change. We've got a little bit behind this week because things changed. The Mercedes 109, 108, 109, that's grown. The customers, we discussed briefly about colour changes, and it featured in the colour change video how it's not practical because the under bonnet area would also need to be done, so that adds a lot of cost, taking everything out. Well, the customers decided to take everything out and we're going for a colour change. So we've been busy getting that ready to go over to the mechanical shop that we use, Goblin Automotive. They're going to strip the engine bay for us, get it back here so we can get that into colour, get it back to them, get everything put back in, and it comes back to us again. We finish the body. So this week's been tied up getting that sorted out, and the minivan that we were doing, that grew a little bit as well. The bonnet and the leading edge of the roof, quite a mess. So that's taken up quite a bit more time. So poor old transit, we've not got to the stage that we want to get to put out the video. So that's where we're at. This isn't a waffle video. We're going to show you now a Mark II Escort, Mark II Ford Escort that we did a year or two back now, where we did the Group 4 wheel arch extensions. So enjoy that, and hopefully we'll be back next week with part 3 of the transit video.